Uses of semi-modal verbs in English. Use of need not, meaning not necessary. Examples: you need not go there. He need not do that. She need not speak. Note: do not confuse the above-mentioned semi-modal verb with need. The verb need in he needs to go is an ordinary verb and can use as inflection after it. Use of dare, meaning to challenge. Examples: dare he fight with me? He dare not fight with me. Dare you go to that place? Note also that the verb dare in he dares to fight with me is an ordinary verb and can use as inflection after it. Use of ought to, meaning it's ideal to do something. Examples: you ought to take a bath every day. We ought to exercise every day. She ought to do that for me. Meanings: it's ideal that you take a bath every day. It's ideal that we exercise every day. It's ideal that she does that for me. Use of used to, meaning something that happened frequently in the past. Examples: I used to learn Spanish when I was a child. I used to play football when I was a child. He used to go to gym when he was 19. Use of have to, meaning obligation, responsibility, or necessity. Examples: I have to go to the market. I have to brush my teeth twice a day. I have to learn English. Note also that the verb have to is treated as a regular verb, which means it agrees with the subject, as in he has to go. Here, have to becomes has to due to agreement with the singular subject. Use of had better, meaning strong advice or suggestion. Examples: you had better go now. She had better get there soon, or she will miss the bus. We had better leave for the department now, or we'll miss the class. Use of able to, meaning ability to do something. Examples: I am able to write an essay on globalization. She is able to speak English. He is able to do it quickly. Note also that able to and can are the same in expressing ability to do something. Be going to, meaning to be certain or expected to do something. Examples: I am going to watch that movie. He is going to study for the entrance test. We are going to buy a car this week. Be likely to, meaning something will probably happen. Examples: she is likely to have a child this year. We are likely to win the match. It's likely to rain this morning. Be supposed to, meaning to have a duty or responsibility to do something. Examples: my son is supposed to be at home now. You are supposed to work now. They are supposed to stop working. Would rather, meaning to prefer to do something else. Examples: he would rather die than take bribe. I would rather die than take dowry. We would rather stay than live now.